Today's top tech story is not about a single product, update, or rumor. It is about momentum. Across software, hardware, and artificial intelligence, Apple is quietly reinforcing its long-term strategy, while Adobe signals a fundamental shift in how video content will be created going forward. This is not hype. This is infrastructure. Let's break down why Apple's latest moves, paired with Adobe's AI expansion, represent the most important tech developments today, and what they mean for everyday users, creators, and the industry at large. Apple has officially released iOS 26.2, and while it may not look revolutionary at first glance, updates like this are where Apple's real strategy shows itself. For everyday users, iOS 26.2 delivers refinements to system performance, expanded AI-assisted features baked deeper into the OS, improved continuity between iPhone, iPad, and Mac. But the real story isn't the feature list. The story is Apple doubling down on on-device intelligence. Unlike cloud-first AI platforms, Apple continues to push machine learning and AI processing directly onto user hardware. That matters for three reasons: privacy, data stays on your device; speed, no round trip to the cloud; scalability, AI becomes a default layer of the OS. For beginners, this means smarter devices without needing to understand AI. For power users, it signals that Apple is laying the groundwork for more advanced workflows built directly into the operating system. And that brings us to the hardware side. Leaks and debug kit data suggest Apple is actively testing a new iMac Pro, potentially powered by an M5 Max chip. This is significant because Apple quietly retired the iMac Pro years ago. If this device returns, it tells us several things immediately. Apple still sees value in all-in-one professional desktops. The M series roadmap is accelerating faster than expected. Apple is targeting creators, developers, and AI workloads simultaneously. The M5 Max, if real, would not just be a faster chip. It would likely be optimized for AI inference, real-time video processing, large-scale creative workloads, on-device machine learning pipelines. While Apple strengthens the foundation, Adobe is changing how content gets built on top of it. Adobe has unveiled new AI-powered video editing tools for Firefly, and this marks a critical transition point. Until now, AI in editing software has largely been about speeding up repetitive tasks, enhancing quality, automating technical steps. Firefly is moving beyond that. Adobe is positioning AI as a creative collaborator, capable of generating transitions, suggesting edits, modifying scenes based on intent, not just commands, accelerating entire production timelines. For beginners, this dramatically lowers the barrier to entry. For professionals, it compresses workflows that once took hours into minutes. More importantly, it reshapes the definition of editing skill. The future editor is not just technical, but conceptual, guiding AI rather than manually executing every step. This pairs perfectly with Apple's on-device AI strategy. Taken together, these stories reveal something critical. We are moving into an era where operating systems are AI platforms. Hardware is optimized for intelligence, not just speed. Creative tools are shifting from execution to collaboration. Apple controls the ecosystem. Adobe controls the creative layer. That combination is incredibly powerful. It means faster creation, smarter devices, and workflows that scale from beginner to expert without changing platforms. This is not about flashy demos. This is about who owns the future workflow stack. Today's biggest tech news is not one announcement. It's alignment. Apple is reinforcing the foundation. Adobe is redefining creation. AI is no longer optional. It's native. If you want to understand where tech is going over the next 5 years, today's headlines are not noise. They are signals. And this is exactly the kind of shift we track here on Next Wave Tech. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to subscribe and stay locked in, because the next wave is already forming.